How does this rate in the storms that you've seen over the years?
On a scale of 1 to 10, probably about 7 or 8. It's a lot of blowing and stuff. There's a fair amount of snow, but you know, we've lived through worse, and we will live through worse.
Definitely, this is a proper winter storm. I love it. I'm a winter sexual. I love the snow. I love to ski, sledding, skating. It's all good.
And are you staying home from work today?
Yes, I'm a teacher, so I was aware last night that we were going to have a snow day.